Check out this 2004 Chevrolet Tracker. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include alloy wheels, power door locks, tilt wheel, power steering, CD, single disc, AM/FM stereo, air conditioning, and cruise control. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.